All right, let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about your money and Wealthsimple. You've probably heard the name thrown around, right? The sleek app, the promise of easy investing. But here's the burning question: does Wealthsimple actually run a credit check on you? I mean, we're talking about your hard-earned cash here, so it's a legit concern. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why does it matter if Wealthsimple checks my credit? Well, let's break it down. A credit check, typically a hard inquiry, can ding your credit score. It's like a little black mark on your financial report card. And trust me, no one wants that. It can affect everything from getting approved for a mortgage to landing a better interest rate on a car loan. So, yeah, it's a big deal. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what Wealthsimple actually is. It's an investment platform that aims to make investing accessible to everyone. No fancy suits, no financial jargon. Just your money working for you. Sounds great, right? But is there a catch? Okay, back to the credit check question. The short answer? It depends. Wealthsimple does conduct some form of background check to verify your identity. This is standard procedure for most financial institutions to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. However, the crucial point is that this is not the same as a traditional credit check. Let's clarify. There are two main types of credit checks, hard and soft. A hard inquiry can impact your credit score, while a soft one doesn't. So, what does Wealthsimple do? Well, they perform a soft credit check. This means they verify your identity using information from credit bureaus, but it doesn't affect your credit score. It's like a quick background check to make sure you're who you say you are. Now, you might be wondering, why do they need to check my credit at all? Good question. As I mentioned, it's part of the Know Your Customer, KYC, process. It's a regulatory requirement to make sure that they're dealing with legitimate clients and to prevent things like fraud and money laundering. It's a safety net for both you and Wealthsimple. But here's the deal. While Wealthsimple doesn't do a hard credit check, it's essential to understand the other ways it might affect your financial situation. For instance, if you're investing heavily in Wealthsimple and neglecting other financial responsibilities, it could indirectly impact your credit score. It's all about balance, people. So, to recap, Wealthsimple does a soft credit check to verify your identity, but it won't hurt your credit score. However, it's crucial to manage your overall financial health, including your credit, to ensure long-term financial stability. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.